Welcome back to iHeart Crypto. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Uh, if you like the video, go down, smack that thumbs up. Let's get into it. So yeah, Bitcoin having a nice little pumpy pump here. We're coming up to the highs right now, and I'm looking at this 4 hour, and the Stokes have plenty of room to run. The RSI has plenty of room to run. It looks pretty good. One thing that can tip you off here is we had a daily RSI breakout on the RSI, right? So, you had things were getting a little bit tight up in here, right? Boom, little breakout, and the RSI broke out before the price action, but now what's gonna happen here? So I'm sure that a lot of people will want to try to long these highs, and I think that they're gonna think they're gonna get a huge pump after they break this high. I would be cautious. There's a lot to look at here, to be honest with you. Once you get past 25K, there's this huge gap that we are just in right now that just needs to be filled with trading. And, one thing that you can see here. All right, so on our Traders Reality Indicator, you had this huge daily vector candle. All right, so there's a lot of shorts up in there. I got vector candles going all the way up to about 27,888. That's what I got here. We can go back and look on like the super low time frames to find like the smallest of shorts that would be in profit from that huge dump. So let's just have a little fun here and go back and look and find some vectors. I'm pretty sure that's what this box is here. All right, so we're going back. I'm going to show you a couple other cool, interesting things. A couple cool tools that you can use during these little pumps. All right, this is the 3 minute. We gotta go back really far away here. Come on. And it's not to say that market makers or I don't know how to say, but the vector candles are basically high volume candles, right? Where people are going long or short, and because of the size of the volume in there, if they're like a $100,000 short, at 50x, they could be sitting in massive amounts of profit. I don't know why this isn't going, but let's just reset this. All right, let's go to the 15 minute here and zoom out. All right, we'll find vectors on the 15 minute. All right, so let's go back a little bit. This is on the KuCoin chart. I should be really looking on the Binance chart, but that's okay. There's probably the same deal. All right, so here on the 15 minute, you can see, if you can, blow it up a little bit. There we go. All right, so it looks like we got a vector sitting right up in there for them to come and take. Let's see. Yeah. So the rule is that once a vector presents itself, it needs to get, comes back, usually comes back up and gets taken. So like here's a good example of a vector that was taken. All right. This vector right here. All right. There's a group of vectors. They came back up. They took the vectors, hit the stop losses, and then continued the price action down. Now this vector right here has no one took this vector up here at 27,800. All right, that is a 15-minute vector that has just been sitting in profit since June 12th. Okay, so what you got to expect is that if we're moving price up to $24,800, that they're going to end up coming back up here and trying to take this vector. But you know, on the daily, the vector ends here at about 26,383. All right, now also you have Bitcoin in like in just a massive. I mean, this could be a broadening wedge, right? And let's see if we can get all the touches on this. Yeah, we got, you know, one touch here, one touch here now. All right, and you basically got a little bit of a touch here. So, you know, you can adjust this trend line, something like that, right? So you got like a broadening wedge here. So you're more than likely gonna get resistance up here, right? Around if you went straight up, around 25,841. All right, and that's if you went straight up. Now you're coming up to your previous highs right now. All right, and we are in a Dogecoin long. All right, which was the dumbest thing I've ever done. The dumbest thing. Thing hasn't moved. Thing refuses to move. Bitcoin, it's moved. It's moved less than Bitcoin. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely absurd. It looks like it wants to finally go. I don't know if it's gonna get the juice though. Like, it just doesn't have the. I got a measured move here up to about there. I mean, this thing just does not want to go. Look at every time it starts to get going, the price gets smacked the F down. Look at this shit. I can't deal. You know, and look at that. There's a huge sell off there for at the highs. But now here's the deal. Is, you know, one thing you can see here, all right, is oh no. It looks like trades are closing out. It looks like the bears are starting to, things are starting to reverse. That's not good for my short. I should just close my short. It's not going anywhere. I mean, my long. I can't wait till I close this and then it moons. That would be freaking fantastic. You know? Excuse me while I have some Frosty. Delicious. Yummy. Alright, so here's the deal. I mean, you can see all the shorts coming in right now, right? Because we all think price is going to come down. What's happening is that these shorts are just getting squeezed. So market makers are buying up the price. They're absorbing all of these contracts here. And, wow, there's some big money coming in here. Look at a dollar, no big deal. But, you know, you see a couple big ones come in, it gets a little crazy. So, yeah, right now, a lot of people are going short. It's more than likely the more shorts that happen, the further up the price is going to go. All right, because what's happening is that, you know, the market maker is absorbing all of these shorts, pushing price up, and liquidating all these shorts coming in here, right? So I mean, just look at, you can just see on the freaking on the vector candles, like you just have yellow vector after yellow vector. That's the market makers pushing price up. Right now, how high do they want to push the price up is the question, and who are they trying to liquidate, and what are they trying to do? So I mean, you got these previous highs here. I mean, you got to ask yourself where did the market maker go short? So I mean, like, I could see a double top here. I mean, if the market maker went short here, right? And this was a really ugly daily candle, right? I think. Yeah. I mean, so, you know, your market maker sold price off pretty heavily. And now you've come back up and almost taken the whole wick, right? So he went short here. It drove the price down. Everyone closed out their longs, and he made all that money. Now he's going back up. He's forcing price back up, right? And liquidating everybody. So, you know, and then once it breaks the highs, that's, you know, what he's doing is here's what happens. All right. here's a good example. So while you're going short here, the market maker's been building his longs. He's been laddering in his longs the whole way down. All right. Now, this whole way up, he's been closing his longs and opening shorts the whole way up. So he's almost done. He's almost at the top of the pattern here. What can we see happening? I could see a cup and handle. I could see a big cup and handle to the upside. I mean, that's essentially what's gonna end up happening. I don't think that you blast off into oblivion here, but I do think, I mean, unless you get like a lot of big shorts come in here, you know, but the market maker has now successfully, you know, completed this whole process here. All right, and he's been doing it all day. He's probably tired, right? And so now he's been laddering in his shorts the whole way up, right? So now it's going to be time for him to collect in a second, right? In my opinion. I could be wrong. This thing could just astronomically moon, but, you know, unfortunately, I really wish this thing would pump. Like, we just pump already. Just give me my profit and go away. You know? It's just flat. This is a Bart Simpson. This is a mother effing Bart Simpson. That's what Doge did. A mother effing Bart Simpson. No bueno. I mean, there's a W formation on the 1 minute. You know, like, is it gonna run? You got some volume coming in here on the 3 minute. Looks like it's ready to spike up, but God knows nothing has worked out. I picked the altcoin that ran last. It's unbelievable. If I were gonna take a short right now, I would go short on Matic at $1. That would be dope. But I would need to collect my money from my Doge position. I mean, I've made 3%. Oh, there we go. Finally. I've been waiting for hours. Look, the fact that, I've been in this trade forever, right? And it's if it goes. I don't even know if it's going to go. Look, it's getting effed. You know? The only way it goes is if Bitcoin breaks the high. I mean, that's the only way, you know? Is if it starts making a new high. Because there's just no confidence in this coin right now. None. There's nobody in here. I think I'm just going to sit here and wait for someone to come in. Oops. Can I pop you back in? What if I go like that? Okay. It goes back. Ugh. Look, this is a Bart Simpson, man. This did nothing for us. Unbelievable. Uneffing believable. Unless Bitcoin does get that move up. Look, an equal amount of shorts and an equal amount of longs at the moment here. Let's see. This little... I mean, you got a nice trend here. Can I draw on this? Oh, I can draw on this. I mean, look, you're just starting to break trend here. Where's my trend line? Where can I draw a trend line from? Do we have a trend line? You're breaking trend now. That's a bad sign for our short. This would mean that the bears are going to get into control. The thing is, it's broken trend a couple times, but I mean, you're at the top of the range now. You're at the absolute top of the range. Looks like trades are starting to open up, and it looks like the shorts are about to be in control. So, how's this doing? Look at that. Now we're down. We're cutting it. Well, I'd rather lose 2% of my capital than lose more. Because this, my friends, is a Bart. It is an absolute Bart. I only have one. I don't want to cut it. I really don't. You know what? I've been in it for so damn long. I'll move my stop up to the absolute bare minimum of that little wick there. If we come back down, so 7270. 7270. I'm gonna hit it anyway. Wow, $64. Yeah, I'm likely gonna get stopped out of my trade. I should just cut it now. That thing's coming down. This thing's coming down now. It's time to short. It's time to short. I mean, in my opinion. I mean, things can change, but I mean, you want to short the top of the range. Yeah, we're stopped out. That was close. I'll let the market. I'll let the price come to me, because it'll be less money actually in fees. I'm not willing to pay the fees. Now, here we go. We go short. Now, we gotta hope we don't get stopped out. That would suck. So I'm gonna look for something that's pumped, like Matic, right? Matic just had a huge run up. It has vector candles all down in this range here that the market makers want to come take, right? You got a vector there, you got a vector there, right? So for Matic, you know, you can make 3 to 5% on this trade on the way down, because you're gonna short at the absolute top. So we're gonna enter a trade in on Matic. Now, here's the deal. Do we have any? So, yeah, I feel comfortable. I'd love to get a short in on ETH, man, but I'm not willing to. It's dangerous to short actually tonight, you know? Look at how crappy Doge is. I should just short Doge. I should just short Doge. Matic is looking kind of strong, but you do got vectors. How much on the top is it? Percent? It's a lot. Yeah, you're looking like you want to roll over now. Yeah, it looks dumpy. All right, let's check out our indicators. 1 minute money flow crossover into the green, into the red. Not that it matters. Although on this whole run up, you crossed over here, that did nothing. You crossed over here, that did nothing, right? You crossed a little bit into the red here, that did nothing. But you're also at the top, so we better start getting to it before we miss the trade. Price could come up a little bit more for me. And again, this is a big pump. I don't know how much they're going to bring up the price. I mean, I could get squeezed out. I mean, shorts have been getting squeezed all night. I got into my long late. I saw Doge popping out of its pattern, and I was like, oh, great, sweet, you know, like, wonderful. Not the best luck. I mean, that's unbelievable that I got stopped out. I mean, I longed from like down here. No, I longed literally from the break. I was like, oh, it's gonna go. I should have taken my profit there, but there wasn't much profit. It was only like, oh, 0.75%. Like, give me a break. You know. You got a red dot on your 15 minute. I don't think these red dots are playing out. Like, nothing on Market Cipher has been playing out. Did you take this vector candle on the 15 minute? You see, you've taken all your vector candles. That's a good sign for continuation up. Excuse me. Yeah, man. Watch Doge pop now. I'll be pissed. I'll be pissed. Look at the longs come in. This is people long in the top. What can we see happening here for Captain BTC's sizzle? I mean, this is a very nice M formation. Alright, and we know how the market makers love their M formation. It also would be a great cup and handle if you want to keep pumping up. You know? That's why I just don't think that, you know, we want them to let them create the pattern, you know? Let them create the pattern. It's unlikely that you just scoop up like that, right? You know, you're going to want to create some type of pattern. Matic looks like it's ready to break. The thing is, you're not going to get much on this short. That's the thing. Like, I wouldn't want to be shorting. I would rather be looking for longs. Let's turn off the vector candles. We know they're there. Yeah, you look like you're just ready to come down. See that? See how they move price up? They want to hit all this. Feel that? Let's turn our vector candles back on. So if I want to short, let's see where they move price down from on the lowest. Where they shot it down, where the volume was. Where did everyone short from? See how they'll short it, liquidate, you know? Short, liquidate. Short, liquidate. See how they're pumping price? And they're doing it to BTC too. Yeah, there's a vector candle right there. They're gonna want that guy. They're not gonna let him get away. They're not gonna let him get away. They're gonna pump the price up to at least there. You know? Watch a vector candle come in. This would signify that the bears are in control now, though. This break a trend. This would say, like, no, they're ready to short the... They're ready to short it. We didn't take that vector yet. See how they paint the M pattern? They're going to paint that. They're going to make you think the price is going down. And then, whoosh, they're going to get you. Let's see that move. Right from here. Yeah, it's a 20% move. Not to mention that it'll be like, oh, well, they took the vector. And then they'll shoot price up. Look, there's your top. 24.83. See how they move price? You know, if you think you're going short here, right? They move it up there. You're down 50%. Then they push it back up a little bit more to liquidate your ass. F you, Doge. Hit my stop loss. Unbelievable. Now look. Doge is 15 minutes at the bottom. That's what you want to. This is where you want to long. When you're 15 minute, you're 1 minute, you're 12 minute, you're 12 minutes at the bottom. What's your 1 hour doing? Your 1 hour's at the top. Are you getting a red dot? You are. That's not a good look. And you're getting a red candle, but like that's been playing out. You like to see this RSI reset a little bit. I think it's likely you come down here. I mean, this would be a beautiful pattern. You know, cup, handle. That's what I would say. Then again, you could just get that up. So, let's go to the 15 minute here. I mean, you've been respecting this trend line. Actually, if you draw it like that, right? You could say you're having a bounce. Actually, you would say, You might say you broke it. You might say you broke that. You know? So, here we go. Let's see. She looks ready to go. See how all these people are shorting? Like they want, the shorts are coming in hot and they just keep getting liquidated. The only thing is that you're at the absolute top of your range. Like if you were gonna short, you could short this, you know, fairly with confidence. You know, at least. What's Matic doing? Matic come back and take any victors? Yeah, some of these had huge pumps just now. So let's look on the daily. I mean, boom, short $1, easy. Why not? Why not pump the price and liquidate all these mofos? Why not? Why not have a great short squeeze? That would be ideal. I mean, what they did was they come back up and they've taken everyone that shorted $1 over there. They could move price down. Doesn't matter, right? We're looking for a scalp. We're not looking for, you know, long-term, you know, whatever trade. I didn't even get anything out of that Doge long. I'm freaking pissed. I'm freaking real pissed. What's Bitcoin dominance doing? You know, Bitcoin dominance could be getting ready for a big move up here. You know, people made money. They're going to take it out of their altcoins and put it into Bitcoin. Especially something like Matic. Look at that. Look at this. You have all these vector candles to come back down and take. Will you come back down and take them now, though? Is the question. Let's go to 7 minute. See, 7 minute has a lot of good vectors. I would feel fairly confident shorting Matic at this right here. See that green dot? I don't like that. Money flow crossing back over into the green. I don't like that either. I don't like that at all. God, I'm so itchy on my arm. What the hell? It's like all of a sudden I got poison ivy. Oh, I'm frozen. Watch out. Let's bring myself back up. We're back, people. I got poison ivy on my legs because I'm a landscaper. Ooh, we might have to market order this. This thing looks like it's ready to break. What's the longs? Look at all the longs coming in now. See, I think that's the market makers coming in and buying the price up. When you see longs coming in like that, because who? Oh, here comes the shorts. See this break a trend here. After such a long time, people are closing out there. I'd be scared to short. I would be definitely scared to short on a weekend, middle of the night. If we did we make a lower low? See, we did make a lower low. That's good. Are we getting a vector? We are. And they're gonna come back down and take it. See, that's the retail going long there, I think. That's see they're not letting the shorts get an inch tonight. They're not letting them get an inch. You'd be sweating your brains out trying to short. Sweating your mother trucking brains out. What's your RSI's looking like? You gotta be cooked. You're absolutely cooked. But that move down, if you looked at the move back from June, that move down was, your RSIs were like at 0. They cooked those things. Look at this. That's just straight up. For the past 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Just straight up. No chill. No chill at all. I mean, let's see where we're at. I mean, here's where your trend is. I mean, you finally broke trend. You finally broke trend. You had a little fake out here, though. Look at how they faked it out. The only thing is that you're at the absolute top. You didn't get all the way to the top, though. I'd be nervous they fake it out and then boom. Liquidated. Probably got 100 Xers coming in right now. Thinking that they're gonna make a killing in the next couple seconds, because when price drops, it drops, Where's Matic? Matic's still pumping. No chill on Matic. Alright, if you're gonna short Matic, you'd want to short here, but see the little, I don't like it. You probably could come up a little bit more. Your 5-minute Stokes are at the bottom. 12 minutes curling down. 15 minutes at the top. 5 minute I don't like, but that's okay. 3 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, you're cooked. Cooked. See, it's just a short squeeze. They're just short squeezing everybody. I mean, you could enter Matic and put your stop loss. right there. It wouldn't matter. It's like nothing. I'm sure everyone's thinking the same exact thing. Okay. Look how they move price. There. Let's see if they come and get me. Oh, they are. Motherfuckers. Oh. No bueno. $1. Let's see what we can scalp. We're looking for what? 50%. Sure. Let's get 50%. What's 50% from here? $0.97 or 98 cents. What price to come down to here? So the BTC is done. Oh, I don't like it. I probably should just close the trade now while I'm in profit. Move it to entry at least. I'm afraid to take off my stop. Yeah, they're about to get me. They're gonna get me. They're gonna get me, I know it. They're bastards. They are bastards. We're gonna liquidate everyone that's shorting $1 on Matic. They're not gonna let you get it in. Only they can get it. You think you're gonna get the top? You're not. Look at them. Look at all the volume on these candles. Yeah. I don't know. You got a lot down there to take. You got this one right here. 93 cents. That's the one I would go for if I were. No, but I'm not going to be greedy. I just want 50. Just get me down to there. Because I'm nervous as shit. Look at how you're scooping. That's not a good sign. Look at how you're flagging. This is just a bull flag. You want to see price shoot the F down. You know, see? See how they bring it in? Not a good sign. the line there. Right there. They're coming for you. They're coming. See how they move price? See how they freaking move price? You can't catch a top in this game, dude. You can't. I might as well just close it now. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Just close it now. With the longs come in. Ah, mother truckers. This is why you don't short. You don't short during a short squeeze, people. You're just not gonna get it. And look at Doge. Ripping. You fuckers. Fuck you. Matic's ripped a lot. Look at the RSI on Matic. It's redonkulous. It's absolutely redonkulous. I'm asking for absolutely nothing. This is literally, you know, the top of the range. See, you didn't take this wick. That's the problem. That's where you want to short. Let's cut it. Yeah. This is bad news bears. If I didn't think BTC was gonna drop because of this line, this line is keeping me in the trade. But see how that's curving back up? That's not a good sign either. Uh-oh, you got a vector candle coming in now, or no? The Victors candles. The victorious candles. Cup in handy to the upside. And your 1 second. Cup, handle. Here it comes. Boom, boom. There it is. There it is. Oh, see when you mark it? Unbelievable. You gotta know. You gotta know. Did I mark off there? This is what you get for trying to short in a short squeeze. I'm an asshole. At least the previous high. You know what I mean? At least. You know, let them come take the wick. Let them come take the wick. Where's the wick on BTC? I got it marked off in green. See, that break a trend though. That's what kills me. They've got me. Yeah, they would have got me. Yeah, they would have just wicked me out. That's fine. Fuck it. There's other opportunities. I hate that Doge is back up and pumping. I hate this. I hate it. I waited forever. I literally waited for 4 hours. Now you're getting a vector candle on the 5 minute. Looks like they want to hit the measured move. The measured move. The red dot on the 1 hour. It's like they know. It's like they know that market cipher is a thing. You're about to print a 4-hour trigger wave here. If you do start to roll over. So it's not like the worst spot to short, in my opinion. But it looks like alts are starting to run. Oh, you son of a bitch. I hate you, Doge. I hate you. I freaking hate you. I hate you. I hate you, crypto. I hate you. Look at ETH. Like, they're not gonna let you take any of that. If you just freaking go long. Like, long's coming in. Some. Look at this vector candle on the 12-hour. Holy mackerel. Holy macaroni. See, when it shows weakness like that, you want to short, right? You're like, oh god, there it is. But they're coming for that wick. Oh, you suck! I waited all night for that. All night I waited. All night. All night. I waited all night for this. The fact that Doge is pumping tells me that this is almost over. Literally the last thing to pump. Literally the last thing to pump. I hate you. I hate you, Doge. I hate you. 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 I might get off the live, guys. This is depressing. You just saw exactly how not to trade. That's what you just saw. And here comes Matic. Back down. BTC. Look at that. Look at that. Rolling over. And Doge pumps. The last thing to go, huh? Wow. Everyone just goes right into Doge. What's my measured move? It's hitting it now. You'd be hitting my take profit. I would have had money. Right there. Just hit it. Let's see if it keeps going. Look at that RSI. On a 3-minute. This sucks. There's no way. There's just no way, man. Unbelievable. I mean, say people made money with like something like Matic, you roll it over into Doge. That would have been the play of the night. And here we go. This is the biggest sell you've seen. FOMO shorts, let's go. Look at all those longs coming in. It's not the time to long, people. It's not the time to long. Hit that measured move perfect, man. Fucking perfect. They didn't take the wick on Matic. I think that would be it for the night, people. Now Bitcoin dominance should start going up. In theory, I think you're gonna get Bitcoin just does not care. It just does not care. Higher momentum wave. Look at your split RSIs, man. This thing's ready to go. Yippee-ki-yay to the downside. Unbelievable. Hit my stop loss. I don't feel confident at all in shorting this market at the moment. I'd love to short ETH 2000. Makes sense. Nice round numbers. I love to get you to short the round numbers. Here they come. I'm tired, man. I'm freaking tired. There's nobody here. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. What's this chick say? This chick has the best advice, man. Uptrend for the next 2 weeks. Uptrend. I don't know about that, Marin. She could be right though. ETH could go to 2,300 in that time. Your RSIs are gonna need to reset. I might take a low leverage short on ETH here. It's looking bearish. Looking bearish. I'm not gonna do Matic, but ETH. I'm mad I lost that trade. Unbelievable. They took a lot of money from me on those fees. You're also just flagging out again. You're not exactly. It's showing no signs of chill. Fuck you, Doge. Dick. This sucks. This sucks. Who's in the market right now? Your RSIs are cooked. You need a pullback. Low cup in handy. That's what you want to see. Unbelievable. I waited for that all night. All night I waited for that and did not get it. The thing is that people are going like 100x leverage here, you know? They're going hundo x leverage, trying to short ETH to the, you know, that's, when this thing corrects, man, it's going to be sharp. It is going to be sharp. Your daily Stokes. What's your weekly Stokes like? They got room to run. I'd say it's time to short when your weekly Stokes get to the top. 16-day, room to run. 10-day, room to run. 6 days at the top. What's your 8-day look like? Let's do 8-day. 8-day. Let's do the 9-day as well. Honestly, I wouldn't short this until I see every single stochastic at the freaking top, man. That would be when you short. When you see almost every single, you know, day at the top. You know? Let's do the 12-day. Do your 11-day. Let's do them all. 9, 10, 11, 12. You can do your 13-day if it. You don't need your 7-day. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me get 13 up in here. Lucky number 13. That would be poetic, wouldn't it? You don't need 14. I'll take a look at the 15 too. Alright, let's take a look at these days. Let's go to the Heikin-Ashi candles. Alright, so 9-day. You got green dots on every single day. Green dot on your 15-day, 16-day. Let's go to 13. What's your Stokes looking like? See, your Stokes aren't going to be... The fact that these are curling up, you know, you're going to end up... See your weekly. As soon as your weekly gets up there. You know, when you let your 6-day run, I bet you the 7-day is different than the weekly. I bet you. I bet you the 7-day looks different. See? Your Stokes look different on your 7-day than your weekly. Things look slightly different. I don't think that you make it back to the 6-day. See? Isn't that weird? 6-day. 5-day still curving down. 4-day coming up. But money flow will roll over, probably. In my opinion. Your money flow is probably going to end up looking something like this. August 22nd. August 18th. Let's see. Momentum waves on your 2-day. I'd love to see momentum to come higher and print a bear div. Because there's just no way you're going to come up to 46,000. When I start to see some bearish divergence on the 2-day, everyone looks at the daily. I would say your 2-day is where it's at. $26,700. Doge doing, you mother trucker. You son of a bitch. See, 1 o'clock in the morning. What a great time to bring the market back down, you know? For a healthy correction. Look at Soul Pump though. See how they pump shit up? Look at ETH. Just wants to chill. It just wants to chill. They're not going to give the shorts any room. There's no shorting the market. There's no longing it either. Because everything is cooked. Why would you long on the market here? Yeah. Money flow on your 12-minute. I mean, you could make an argument that money flow is starting to top out on ETH on the lower time frames. You can make that argument. No chill though. Look how volatile the coin is. Just look at these waves. This is absurd. I've never seen anything like it. Probably not going to give you much. I like that blood diamond. Matic had a blood diamond on. Did it disappear? Maybe it wasn't on Hakinashi's. Yeah, it's on regular candles. You had a blood diamond here. That's what you got. You know? Hey guys, I'm going to bed. Nobody's here. Nobody cares. I lost 2 trades and yeah. The market loves to take money from me. I might be done with all this nonsense. What's going on here? See, the longs are down. Shorts are coming up. Bears are in control of the market at the moment, at least at Bitcoin. How much further down can that go, though? I don't think they're going to give you an inch. Maybe you pull back to like 24,500, 24,300, you know? Let's see. Let's take a look. If that's your top, and that's your bottom, yeah, maybe you pull back to, 24,500. Maybe you hit your golden pocket there at 24,300. What's that move? Yeah, that'll give you 1%. This is bothering me. Mag is just gonna stay there. Alright, I'm going to bed. Alright, good night, guys. We'll see you next time.